Hello guys, today I have a phone. It's LG H440N, and the problem is there is no display light. I have already fixed it, but I thought let's just make a video because I couldn't find any video for this one on YouTube. So let me just show you what it does. It was a water damaged phone, so you put the battery in and switch it on, and the phone is coming on, but you'll see there is no display. To fix this, you just need to check some of the power section. Uh, so what we're going to check that either the power is going from here to here. This is the power area, and it should be 3 to 4 volts here, 3 point something, and then it's going to boost on this area. So this should be more than 16 volt. So if we are getting more than 16 volts, then it means that the circuit is working fine. And then from here, the power is going all the way down to under this LCD connector. There is one component, so you'll get the same voltage there. So I'll show you in a minute. So for that, what I need to do, disconnect the battery, disconnect the connector, and this is the component. And you will be getting the same voltage here. So what really you need to do, you need to connect directly with the wire from here to the LCD connector. You can also connect it to one of this point. This is positive, I think. But the problem is if you're going to change the screen again, then you'll have to disconnect the cable. So the best option for me is to connect from here to here, and then yeah. So let's just check the power. I'm going to put the battery inside, switching on my multimeter. Okay, so as soon as I switch on, I will check the power. Okay, this is on. Okay, let's just test the power. Switch on the phone and just check. So we are getting 4.12 here. That's good. Now we need to check here. Here 0.2. So it means the phone has already switched on and the display is black. So let's again just touch the power button and see what do we get. 0. That's not good. Okay, one more time. Switch the phone on. and we are getting 28 volts. Let's go to down section, check the voltage here, 28. So it means the only problem is that the power is not going from here to the LCD connector. So let's just test the LCD connector. Is 1.3. So what I'm going to do, so it's pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, pin number 12. So you just need to jumper the wire here. That's it. Put the connector back in, battery, and switch on the phone. Let's just see now. See, we get the display. Two. Okay, and the touch is working fine.